Good night. And this night, I'm presenting for you for my resume for the thesis, and also I'm preparing for my test oral, the final test oral, and English. The next month I will to present this exam. Okay. Last week I spoke with you about the strategic transition from the industrial operation digital and management board. And last week I spoke about the system integration on the human capital and lean methodologies and technologies organizational efficiency. I spoke about me, and I mastered degree in strategy and administration management. I'm a specialist for quality, environment, and safety. And also I use some methods, some tools for the improvement the quality, production, and industrial safety. Procedures of focus strategy transformation toward industry for paperless and operation achievements and the empowerment of the human talent. I'm a doctoral candidate in administration for UO Global University. Okay. All the departments, all the areas, they must integrate for a good operation. But what happened today? In big or grand industries, it's as possible, but they have opportunities in their areas. Yeah. The process to start for the suppliers. Yeah. I get all the materials, all the products. Yeah. And also it's to enter for the store, and the store they pass for a process and the production line and the quality and the logistics, everyone. And also I used to, and the customer final, the final customer. The operation and you detect we are using some methods, for example, and relation customer management or supply chain management. Yeah. That's good. We have the relation with the customer for into planning, for to get the materials and products, and each one I find the areas opportunity for the areas on waste in the process. We had a waste for the storage and our inventory, the loss for time and quality damage the product when they arrive for the store, and also the store for the line and the for bad maintenance and production process, and also is rejects products is for quality waste, and also it's time for to the logistics for the final customer. And every areas we had the opportunities, and also it's very important to the rules income statement. For this income statement, for the expenses, for the no planning, no make a planning, or use a canvas, a business model. 40 until to 50% is for with don't have and with a planning. For the strategies, no make strategies planning, right? And we don't use for some methodologies. What's the method? Maybe a DAFO, a PESTI, a marketing, policy, strategies, and master production school. Today we had a lot of tools, methodologies, yeah, and also it's good standardization about the ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 and ISO 45001 and ISO 50001. Another issues is organizational and leadership. We have with most the load for the personnel. Development of the high performance teams under a training model based on the business key indication and empowerment. What happened? It's good the training. It's good. But this training they must to alignment with the objectives of the company. Yeah? But when the training or the objectives there are no alignment with the objectives of the company, the results we don't complete the results or the objectives, not to complete the objectives. And when I do the plan for the strategies planning or business model canvas, when I use a good planning, we have some tools for our measures about the balance scorecard. ¿Sí? Esa entrega la línea of corporate vision of our financial customer internal process or learning perspectives. And to the objectives, this most achievement establishing ambitious objectives with a measurable key result on the operation level for the OQRS or SMERT. And the problem solving is about the empty map. It's good the customer relationship management, pero today we not what do they have, or what is the feelings of the customer. Maybe they want this color, a this kind for car. I I don't know. It's good the brand, it's good the quality, but I'm not feeling for the empathy for the customer. Yeah, a disciplined approach for indefinite containing and eradicating root cause for reparation first. It's good for to find the root cause about the different discipline or tools. For example, the 5 Whys and the ADS. It's very important to current engineering on the all departments. All departments, they must to integrate it and alike gears of the system or the integrate. When you look or the figure out for the problems, is very integrate all the departments and involvement. Why? Because it's to make our right ideas and together figure out a solution for the problems. All departments involved is very important. Their opinions, yeah, because the experience is good, the knowledge is good, and also those people maybe in other kind of work or other work is similar problems, and will help us to figure out a solution of the problems. It's very important. For not to look is one the root of cause. Okay. What's the new frontier? Yeah. The new frontier today on spot about the process. Of the process, maybe I will find for waste and the time, waste and storage. About the inventory, waste and about inventory, waste in the process, production, waste and production, waste and quality, waste and logistics, waste and expensive. I don't know, pero it's very important. And today, in the process, are a bureaucratic or to waste a lot of papers. The design for the pillars of digital transformation is used about the system. For example, the artificial intelligence or the AI or big data pattern and massive analysis on the industrial data for predicts and maintenance changes or optimization of critical variables. And also, we had a master production score about the times for the BSM, the Valley Street Map, and for the simulation digitals or optimization about the sensors. Today is more for if there's a product, every product to pass for different activities. We have the standardization for this time and the activities to put on the process for, and also they to send for the computer and the board the quantity, the piece of products, the production, and also when we had a quality project, and also how many pieces or how many products to reject. No, it's more easy, and also we take at times or what is the capacity for the production system. You put on here, for example, on an elector for prison, for a beam laser to take all the area and automatically as it send information from the curing is for stimulation in 3 dimensions for the process. Maybe it's too slow in this area. Maybe we had an equipment, maybe we had people, maybe we had equipment or machines. I don't know. But it's a job for this simulation. It's more easy today. Okay. What's the difference between the bachelor's degree and the master's degree and doctorate degree? The difference is the doctor is the support of what kind of paradigm use. Some movies is on reality. On reality, these movies, for example, the Star Wars, on prophecies, those movies is more than 40 years ago, when the people made and those movies, they saw the future, and all the paradigm is to look the solution for the future. What happened today in some companies? When the company is planning for a lot of products, but they don't make the business model or the strategic planning for DAFO or PSTL, they don't work with the context for the enterprise or what will to affect in future of the company. Maybe the business model canvas, is to solve a trouble. What is the effect at the company today and the future? Maybe the police, maybe the technology. I don't know. I don't know what is the effect at the problems for these tools or these methods. They help us for to solve other panoramic or intern on the company or outside on the company. Yeah, the politics, the expenses, the incomes, it's gonna stay. I don't know, but it's very important to make for the strategic plan, and also the objectives they must align with the objectives of the company. Yeah, in these objectives they must and to comply with the SMART, SMRT. They and also made and the balance scorecard and the OKRs. Okay? Pero today it's always everyone to show the objectives, everyone show the feeling, I don't know. But I think is the open mind, open heart, and I put the sure teeth. When I put the sure teeth, I put the feelings for the health of the company. Not only to figure out a solution for ourselves, no. As integrated all the team, all the people in the organization, depend where those have the problem. Yeah. Okay. This is resume is only to practice. I know I improved my English, but I believe I will ready for the next month. Okay? Good night. I'll see you the next week. I hope to improve my English in the next presentation. Good night.